Welcome back to the channel, guys. Here I am. I'm sitting in the 2022 Mustang GT about to go for a spin. How about we fire it up together? Ah, amazing. Amazing. About to go for a spin here. I'm going to take you guys on for a ride. A little POV. Tell me what you think. See you back in a minute. All right, everyone. So we're driving here down the road, and a quick conversation I want to have with you. So I'm looking to do some upgrades on the car. One of the things I'm thinking about doing is a new shift knob for the car. This guy right here. One of the things I'm thinking about is a CJ Pony Parts shift knob. There's a red option with silver, and then there's another option, a white one with silver, which I really like both. I need your help today to help me decide between those, or there's a Hurst shifter I'm interested in as well for the automatic. So I'm interested in both of these options. If you can help me choose between them, I will do an install video the next time around, and we can walk through it together and see how this all comes together. I'm looking to do a mild refresh to the interior with a few of my own touches, and I thought that would be a nice way to start out some modifications to the car. Hope you're all doing well. Please comment which one you like. I'm going to show some videos now. Check up on the screen and take a good look at these 3 different options I've chosen. Let me know which one you like in the comment below. I'm going to do a quick little pull for you guys today, just as a little treat. So let me know what you think right now. Sounds so good. So good. You know, so enhancing the interior. I already have an amazing exterior. I might do some exterior mods in the future, so stay tuned. I'm going to keep these videos short, and look forward to hearing from you soon. Remember to please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.